madam! Good morning! Good afternoon. Good afternoon pala dito. So, ngayong araw, guys, Sunday, it's January 25 to 11 p.m. dito sa amin. Kakaligo ko nga lang kasi mamaya pupunta kami ng church. And then, naisipan ko na gumawa, guys, ang taho. Meron ako ditong taho na na-order ko dun sa sa Filipino store. Basa pa yung buhok ko, oh. So, ipapatry ko to ngayon sa aking mamaya sa aking mister, sa aking husband. I-open ko na ang taho. Ito kung masarap ba. Kasi na-miss ko na din, guys, kumain ng taho. Naglinis ako ng bahay. Naglalaba pa ako ngayon. Madami akong labahin. O, ayan. Madami nga akong labahin. I-open ko na to. Kasi napanood ko din to, guys, sa may TikTok kung paano siya gawin. So, yung gagawin ko ngayon, half lang muna yung lulutuin ko. Konti lang. Hindi ko dadamihan talaga. Kasi sayang at baka mapanis. Kasi hindi yan mag-stay ng matagal. Gagawin ko. I-half ko lang yung pagluto. Prepare a 5-liter capacity cooking pot and a clean container. So, 5 liter. Kung half lang, 2.5. No, grabe. 2.5 liter to cups. Ano, grabe, ang dami. 10 ganito. Sa video yung nakita ko, konti lang. Hindi nga kasya to. Hala. Brown sugar. Tapioca pearl. Ayan, tapioca pearl. Ilaga ko muna pala to tapioca pearl. So, hindi ko din to ubusin, guys. Kasi sa next Sunday, Saturday pala, ipapatry ko dito sa friend ng aking husband. Pupunta sila dito, mga American. Patry ko sa kanila yung taho. Kung magustuhan nila. Ba to? Ano ko na lang tansyahin. Ilang grams ba to? Itong kiluhan. Kiluhin ko muna itong ilang grams. And then i-divide ko. To 85 grams. 285 grams. 5 cups. Divide 4. 285 divide 4. 71. So, gawin ko, guys, 71 grams lang. 5 cups na. Tama ba? Tama ang ginagawa ko, ha? Pat 71 grams. Ayan, 71. Perfect. Pati ano ito? Mabuti. Sealed. So, yung sabi dito, ano lang, tap water. Kasya bang 5 cups dito? Sana. Wala na. Cold pa pala, cold pa. Madami na nga, oh. 5. Then, this. Kayo guys, kung sa ibang bansa kayo, try nyo din to. Pero sana hindi ako ma-fail. Baka makakalpak. Mix lang may mabuti. High heat while stirring. Okay. High heat. Dito high heat. Sa kabila. Kabilang banda. High heat. Ano yung aking sago? Anong minutes ba? 3 minutes. Failing ko natin for 3 minutes while stirring. Sago ko guys, oh. Ano ba ito? Wala, ngayon ko lang guys. Ngayon ko lang nalanisan yung aking kitchen. Ganito na yung itsura ay. Naku. Wala dyan sa. Wala na. Itsura. Nag-overflow na yung mga ano ko. Naglinis naman ako. Ngayon ko lang nalinisan yung kitchen ko guys. Nag-overflow na yung taho na mixture. High heat naman to. Sabi 3 minutes. Walang ilagay. Hala! 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 Buang! 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 Buangit! Ako! Naluna yung plastic. Hala! Naluna yung plastic guys. Hala! Mga kabuang-buang talaga. Hala, sobrang init pala. This one, try ko. Kaya niya, if kaya. Sayang. Iyak na yung baby ko. And then, itong kojulan. Saan ba yung kojulan? Konti-kontian lang. Wish me luck. 10 seconds. 10 seconds and down. $15 minutes. Yung sago guys, okay na. Konti lang pala yung nagawa ko na sago. Wow. Kasi namihan ko naman. Cute ng sago. May mga nagaan. Itong brown sugar naman yung imimix ko. Ito perfect. Wait. Chicken Alfredo na na-take out ko kahapon sa restaurant. Kaya pa naman to. Maya pa kainin. Yung taho. Aking chicken Alfredo. Microwave. Tapos lang microwave. Mainit-init. Nalata na. Mga taho ko. Hindi na ito na pa. Mamaya pa. Paano ang oras ba? Wala, alas stress na pala. Sa mga 3:30 siguro goods na. And then, mga ano guys, mga 4:30, alas kami ng bahay. Pupunta ako ng store. Tagal naman mag-syrup. Say hi to my vlog!
Hello.
Next time you okay? Don't show it to my vlog. Because I hide him now.
What?
I'm gonna show him after 4 months. Babe, chicken Alfredo. Want some? Ayan na. Luto na yung lahat ng mga ingredients. Ito yung sugar na syrup. Ayan yung ano. Tinry ko. Parang hindi pa siya pwede. Yung taho. Then ito yung tapioca. Konti lang yung nagawa ko. Ito na ngayon guys yung taho. Ito parang pangit. Parang tubig. Wala. Diba? Same din. Ewan ko kung magustuhan nito. Okay. This is the taho. It's like watery.
Is it supposed to be watery?
I'm not sure.
I'm not sure.
Yeah. Seems like.
I'm not.
Huh? It's a soybean. It's a beans that they grind. Yeah. Sago. Wala, yung sago ko ay naglapot siya ko na. Then syrup. Ang pinagagawa ko guys. Allah. Ayan. Okay na yan. Parang hindi tayo naging successful ha. Ang taho din yung lasa guys. Ano ba itong tsura ng taho ko? Sarap din. Taho din. Okay lang. Ito. Hindi lang magluto ulit ako. Next time. You don't need a water?
I gotta eat now.
Sit down!
Hold on, I'm eating milk.
So, I'm waiting for a long time. It's almost 4 p.m. now.
No.
Sumbagong. So tired now, babe. Tired now.
Emergency milk. Okay. What is this?
Need to be here na camera.
Okay. Why are you laughing? What is this?
It's taho.
I don't know what that is. How do you spell it?
Taho. T-A-H-O. Google it. Google taho. Taho ko guys, oh. Pangit ng itsura.
H-A... What?
T-A-H-O. Taho. Taho kaya dyan. Taho. Taho.
Food.
Oh, hindi ba lipstick, diba?
Okay. This looks nothing like Tahoe.
Yung sa Google, guys.
I guess it looks
Yeah,
like
that's
that one a
it.
little bit.
Yeah, that's it. But because I shake it. Okay. Because the one that I make, is that really successful?
I'm looking at the ingredients.
Is that not really successful? As it's only a soybean and tapioca and sugar syrup.
Okay.
I mix it.
That's a weird sea creature.
Okay, eat now.
Really?
Try it. Yummy.
Tastes yummy.
It looks like a protein shake.
Tastes like something. I don't know.
That's
What are you laughing
yummy.
about?
Good. Why?
No, that's fine. It's okay. It's not great, but
Take a video na that. I'm gonna give this to you. And hand this to me.
what are we doing?
Like when we get married.
Oh my goodness, man. That's gonna get all over the place. There's a little spoon.
It make it a big.
I can't. I don't know how you do that. This is like a...
It's okay.
Okay.
It's
Don't spill it on me.
It's a little. It's a little.
I got less than you. How do we do this? That's not gonna work here. This is not. Wait, it's gonna spill. Wait. Hold on. Alright, ready?
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Huh?
Don't throw that in my
1, 2,
face.
3. What you
I
do?
don't really like that.
Another one. Another one. Take 2.
Hold on, let me get some.
For our reels, guys. Our reels. But don't put it in your mouth. I'm using it.
Okay.
I'm using that for you. Oh, you don't.
Maybe.
Babe, I'm using that. It's gonna get bad. Is that gonna get bad, huh?
You know you kissed me. What the...
Mm.
Okay. Let's do this then.
Wait, make it good. Make your face like you're happy. Seems like
I'm not happy about this.
you need to, but you need to be happy.
Alright, hold on.
1, 2, 3.
This isn't even good. It doesn't taste that good. I don't really like it.
And then you're gonna kiss me.
I feel like you messed up. I don't think it's supposed
I
to
know I
taste this
messed
way.
up, but it's okay.
It tastes like,
Babe, I'm just eating.
I don't even know, something.
Then you're gonna kiss me.
I don't want it.
Okay?
Don't throw that on me.
I'm not gonna touch you.
I don't trust you at all.
The hell? You kiss me there. You should kiss me in the lips.
Alright, hold on a second. Yeah.
Hello, I? You should not do it in there, babe.
It doesn't matter. Okay.
I'm not gonna drink it anymore. It's gonna get bad.
It's not gonna get bad. I'll use it.
We'll use it. Okay, take 2.
Okay.
Wait. Oh, 1, 2, 3. Oh, you don't wipe it. Why you wipe it?
Your lips are all wet.
Babe, why you wipe it? Because we're gonna put it in the video.
Just cut that part out.
Another one.
I'm done, baby. I can't eat
Last
that.
one.
It's gross.
Last one. Last one.
I know it's not supposed to taste this way.
It's supposed to be this way, babe. It's sweet.
Okay, put a little less on.
The texture is just not this. Okay.
Put a little less on your spoon.
Okay.
Okay, right?
1, 2, 3. We always drink milk.
Because I don't like it. Okay.
It's fine.
It's not good.
Successful. Success, guys. Success! 3:58. We need to go now. I'm gonna go to Ross. Punta ako ba sa Ross? Wait, let me finish this. Parang ayaw din yung lasa. Tama na.
You know, tofu is bad for you.
Why? Tofu is healthy.
It's bad for your testosterone or something. Isn't it?
I don't know.
I don't know, because that's the internet.
Ano ba tong
Is tofu bad
Taho ko
for
guys, parang ano?
Based on comprehensive research, tofu is not bad for testosterone.
See?
I don't believe it. I'm gonna stick with it. I still don't like it. Okay.
That's all you're gonna wear. We're going to church. I'm just gonna wear. Okay. gonna go now guys. Going sa sa church. Yeah, pinag-bread mo. Punta ko na pala ako sa Ross. Just one water. Malapit lang sa amin. Before ako aalis kasi maghanap ako ng mga laundry basket, gamit-gamit sa bahay. Pero kakain mo ako ng sandwich. Kasi parang ako nagutom. Wala, hindi ko na palang bumili ng gatas niya. Lady's Choice na tuna spread. Favorite ko to. Lady's Choice. Mahilig din ba kayo guys sa mayonnaise? Yung asawa ko hindi siya, ayaw niya sa mayonnaise, hindi siya kumakain ng mayonnaise. Ko na lang, sana'y malaman na. Gumawa kami ng video na yun guys. Yung nagkikiss kasi nag-trending yan last time sa sa reels ko. Naka-total ko dyan. 9 million views. 6 million sa isa. 3 million. Oo, mga almost 10 million views. Kaya, mag-try ulit kami ng ng ganyang video. Balik ko muna sa ref. Ay, baby ko, ala. It's covered now, baby. Where's face? Oh, that's why. I'm here na mga madam sa Ross. After a year. Okay. After a year. After 1 month pala. Last time ko pumunta dito nang nanganak ako. Ay, before akong manganak pala. Muna ako ng card. May music na naman. Mga branded yung mga damit dito, guys. May sale. Winter. Yung mga sale dito. Mami, magano din ako bili ng mga pampapackage. Mga sandal pag may sale. This is nice. $15 lang. Size 6. Kasya to sa akin. Ang kasya. Ang cute din ay. Rebook. $26. Ang cute. Size 6. Size ko talaga to. Kulay. Pink. Yes. Yan mag-leggings eh. Ang ganda din guys oh. Ganda ng kanya style. Ito din yung kanilang mga bag guys. Ang gaganda. Dami silang selection ng bag. Ayan, cute. Pang summer. $23. Wrangler. Nice. Pero madami pa akong bag. Hindi na ako mahilig magbili-bili ng mga bag. Sayang lang pera. Wala, ang cute at ang baby. Ang babae. May nakita akong bag guys. $10 lang ang cute. Bilihin ko to. Cute niya. Mga mura-mura lang. Ganyang style. Kunin ko to. Guys, ang ganda. Mga kulay pink. Ang cute. Ang luto. Pero hindi pa yan yung bibilhin ko ngayon, kaya pass muna dyan. Mga Tupperware, ano pa yung bibilhin ko? Tupperware na ako doon. basket pala. Laundry basket yung bibilhin ko. Ito na mga basket, guys. Bili lang ako dito. Kuha lang ako ng... Tingnan ko na ba yan? So, siguro, simple lang. Ito. $10 pa to. Ang ganda nilang mga banga, guys. Oh. Magkano nga to? Ang ganda. Presyong mahal nito. Hala. Wait lang. Ito alam kung saan yung presyo. Pero ang ganda. Yan sa ilalim. Then, nagbili ako ng basket at saka pillow. Yan.
Balon ganyan.
We just got here at church. Ayan yung bata, oh. Tumatay siya. I think he's pooping. It's already, guys, 5:48, 5:50. So, early kami ng 10 minutes. Pupunta na kami ngayon sa loob.
A message angel fade, a sword and king, oh be ye reconciled to God, and turn away from sin's seductive snare, that all who will obey is their message that I bring, a message angel is my Lord and me, oh be ye reconciled to God. Throughout its vast domain, my sovereign bids me tell how mortals there. This is the message that I bring, a message and ye, oh be ye reconciled to God.
Hello guys, we just got home from church. My husband is feeding Weston. And then... Ay, hala. Hala, may camera. So this is I got. Basket. I got the cheapest basket. It's...
I bet you did.
I think it's like $7. 2 pieces of this pillow. I forgot to get a pillowcase, but I'm just gonna buy it online. I like this one, babe. I want to buy another. This nice.
Okay.
Like another 2 because I'm gonna put it in the other bedroom. 2 pillows. I got it for $17. Or $16, but plus tax. Then I got a bag, the sale. From $15, I got it for $10. It's cute. I like this bag. There's no brand. Wala siyang brand. Ano daw? Mga mura ko lang guys. I like it. Ay. What's that? It's enough to put some my camera, cell phone, and my DJI camera. That's important. What else? This one for the toilet, for the bathroom. You should get 2 big, no? The bathroom. I got it for $11. Then this one, $7. 20 pieces. That's all. Nagluluto ako ng rice. Okay. pinamili ko kanina guys sa Ross. For $57 lahat. Not bad. Nakabili pa ako ng cute na bag.
What'd you say about that?
Yeah, it means total. Everything. Thanks, yeah. Thanks a lot. So we're waiting na guys na maluto yung rice. And then, matutulog na agad kami kasi bukas. It's Monday. Time to go back to work. My husband. So guys, let's eat. May bulalo pa akong natira konti. Dinner namin. Then sa kanya, chicken na niluto ko ng isang araw. Bulalo, wala nang mga sahog na ubos ko na. Thank you, Lord. Just keep favorite again. Just favorite. Why are you so hungry?
Starving.
Bulalo. 2 days ko na ito na ulam. Mabuti may natira pa. It's hot. It's a lot of chicken in there. That's hot.
It's good.
The rice is like so hot. Tapos na ako maghugas ng pinggan. Tapos na kami guys mag-dinner. Thank God, busog na. Busog na yung mga tao dito. Ngayon, prepare ko na yung dinner na lunch na natin husband para bukas. And then, malinis ng kusina. Ito lang, yung chicken. Ano nila ito bukas? Ilalagay niya lang to sa microwave. Sa work niya. Dinner. Ay, di ano nito bukas lunch pala. Mabuti naman nagustuhan yung kumain ng ganitong recipe. Kaya ito na lang palagi niluluto ko. Ayaw niya kasi na may mga sabaw. Mas gusto niya dry food. Sweet na. Gamitin ko lang yung bago ko ng basket. Gagawin. Paghinga na ako. Then, mag-vacuum. Mag-vacuum kasi kanina naglinis ako ng bahay, nag-map. Hindi ako nakapag-vacuum sa bedroom kasi si Weston natulog. Nag-kiss-kiss ako ng mga toilet. Yan, nag-change ako ng mga beddings. Sabi ko yung ginawa. Wala, nakalimutan. Okay. Like every 2 days, ang daming labahin. So that's all for today's video mga madam. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel. And if you want to follow me on Facebook, my name is Maria Rose Vlog 2 with Blue Mark Check. God bless everyone. Bye!